The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the access panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the filter tray. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Once installed, insert the tray into the housing and clip the housing panel back on. Reinstall the center panel. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.